Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever found a body lotion that can hydrate your skin for 24 hours without leaving it feeling greasy or sticky? Well, today, we're going to talk about something that promises just that. La Roche-Posay Lipikar Body Lotion Daily Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is a fragrance-free body lotion formulated to nourish dry and sensitive skin with a combination of ingredients like shea butter. The brand, La Roche-Posay, has been known for its dermatologist-tested products that target sensitive skin, so I was curious to see if this one could live up to the hype. It's designed to provide hydration for 24 hours. Sounds impressive, right? Let's dive right into what makes this lotion stand out. First, we've got the basics. The lotion comes in a 400 milliliter bottle, which is a generous size for a body lotion. It's got a simple, no-frills design, but honestly, it's all about what's inside, not what's on the outside. The formulation is all about dry skin repair, and it's loaded with shea butter, which is known for its deep moisturizing properties. It's also fragrance-free, making it a great option for anyone with sensitive skin or a sensitivity to fragrances in skincare. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I've been using this lotion for a few weeks now, applying it after my morning shower. I'll be honest, at first, I was skeptical. A lot of lotions claim to provide 24-hour hydration, but they often leave a greasy residue or don't live up to that promise. But I was pleasantly surprised. It absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling heavy, and it actually kept my skin feeling soft and hydrated throughout the day. No dry patches in sight, even after a full workday. The texture is rich but not too thick, perfect for those with dry skin, but not too heavy for warmer months. I also put this to the test on my elbows and knees, which are areas that tend to get extra dry for me. The lotion really soothed those areas without feeling oily or causing any irritation. If you've got sensitive skin, I think you'll appreciate that it's free from fragrances and harsh chemicals, just pure hydration. However, if you're someone who loves a light, floral scent in their skincare, you might miss that aspect with this one. But for those with sensitive skin, it's a win. Let's talk about some pros and cons. The pros: it's a lightweight formula that doesn't leave a greasy finish. My skin feels deeply hydrated, and it actually lasts through the day without the need for reapplication. The packaging is easy to use, and the large bottle means it'll last a while, so you're getting good value. Plus, it's gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. Now, for the cons. If you're looking for a body lotion that has a luxurious scent or something to enhance your pampering routine, this might not be your favorite. It's fragrance-free, which is great for sensitive skin, but if you're someone who loves scented lotions, you may feel like it's missing that element. Additionally, while the lotion does provide hydration, I did find myself needing a bit more for extra dry areas like my feet. So those with extremely dry skin might want something more intense. In terms of value for money, I think this product is worth it. Given the generous size and the quality of the ingredients, it's a solid choice for anyone struggling with dry, sensitive skin. When you factor in the fact that it's also formulated without fragrances and is designed for sensitive skin, it makes it a good investment for people who are looking for something gentle and effective. It's priced a little higher than your typical drugstore lotion, but it delivers the kind of performance that justifies the cost, especially if you have sensitive skin or struggle with dryness. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some alternatives out there. For example, CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion also does a fantastic job of hydrating without fragrances, and it's typically priced a bit lower. But for me, the consistency and long-lasting hydration of La Roche-Posay give it a slight edge. As for the build quality, the packaging is solid and functional. The pump bottle makes it easy to dispense just the right amount of product without wasting any. The lotion itself is smooth and not overly thick, making it easy to spread. I'd say it's perfect for daily use and seems pretty durable in terms of how much product you get. Final thoughts. This is a product I'd recommend to anyone dealing with dry or sensitive skin. It's gentle, effective, and offers long-lasting hydration. I wouldn't say it's a miracle cure for extremely dry or cracked skin, but it definitely helps maintain skin's hydration, and that's something many of us can benefit from. If this review has helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. If you've tried the Roche-Posay Lipikar body lotion, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.